Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today I'm going to teach you on how you can make a screenshot with your Google Pixel device using the Android 10 operating system. And right now I have my Google Pixel 2 XL right here, and I'm going to show you one way. So one way you can take a screenshot is when you long press your power button. So instead of, be careful, you can have your power off, restart, and then at the bottom of it is a screenshot. So be careful not to tap on either two of these, because that's not what you might want to do. So just take a screenshot, and there you go. Will notify you that your screenshot is already saved. Another way you can do this without the risk of you turning off or restarting your phone is by pressing the power button and the volume down button. This is kind of tricky, so you might want to press them simultaneously right there. So at times the first method is more accurate. There's no more misfiring of the button presses. The second one is pretty much requires a lot of practice to master, since you can accidentally press the volume down button first and then lower your volume instead of taking a screenshot. So you must ensure that you press the volume down and the power button exactly at the right time. So I hope this helps you, this simple DIY tips and tricks with your Android 10 device. So if you like this video, you can subscribe, and if you want your smartphone fixed, just contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and we'll leave our contact details right here on the screen. So till next time guys, cheers.